Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can start making real money online by tapping into the incredible power of Canva templates in 2024. Yep, you heard that right. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create eye-catching designs and turn them into cash, whether you're a total beginner or already have some design experience. Let's dive right in and get you started on this creative side hustle. Alright, first things first, let's head over to www.canva.com. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an online design platform that's extremely beginner-friendly but powerful enough for the pros too. Just sign up or log in, don't worry, you don't need any graphic design background to get the hang of it. Once you're in, look for that big Create button. That's your starting point, kind of like a blank canvas waiting for your creative ideas. Go ahead and click it. Right away, you'll notice a ton of different options, and this is where the magic really starts. You can make videos, presentations, greeting cards, posters, social media graphics, and honestly, so much more. Take a moment here to imagine what people might actually want to buy. Think about what businesses, teachers, or even busy parents might be searching for. That could be anything from stylish Instagram templates to easy-to-edit planners or attention-grabbing YouTube thumbnails. Now let's say you pick presentation for your first template. Canva will immediately give you access to a variety of pre-made designs, which you can use as a launching pad. This is fantastic because it takes out all the guesswork and saves you a ton of time. Just click on a template that you like and start customizing, change the colors, swap out the photos, add your own text. The more unique you make it, the better your chances of standing out once you're ready to sell. Remember, people pay for quality and originality, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. After you've crafted a template you're proud of, it's time to turn that creativity into cash. Simply download your finished design and then upload it to an online marketplace. There are lots of places you can sell templates. Sites like Etsy, Creative Market, or even Canva's own marketplace. Describe your product clearly, maybe add a few sample images and set a fair price. A quick tip, look around to see what similar designs are selling for just to make sure you're in the right ballpark. If you want to unlock even more potential and make your templates really stand out, consider going premium with Canva Pro. This gives you access to a whole library of premium templates, graphics, fonts, and other resources that can give your designs a real professional edge. It's not required, but investing in yourself can pay off in the long run, especially if you're planning to make template selling a steady source of income. And that's really it. Canva is such a powerful tool, and with just these steps, you're well on your way to making money online with your own unique templates. Take your time with each design, experiment, and see what works for you. If your first template doesn't sell instantly, don't get discouraged. Like any business, a little patience and persistence goes a long way. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other Canva ideas you want to see in a future video. And if you're serious about building your online income, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Good luck with your Canva journey. I can't wait to see what you create.